If your Samsung top-load washer is vibrating excessively, failing to spin, or stopping mid-cycle, the spin basket could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll guide you through testing and replacing it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by getting our tools together. For today's work, we'll need a flathead and a Phillips screwdriver, 10mm socket, a large adjustable wrench, and a mallet. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Lift the lid. Rotate the spin basket by hand and stop it quickly. You should hear fluid sloshing inside the basket. Next, remove the agitator cap, the mounting bolt, and the agitator. Check the spin basket hub nut to make sure it is tight. Inspect the hub for any signs of damage and wiggle the spin basket to check for excessive play. If the tub nut is slightly loose, tighten it. If the hub is damaged or if you did not hear fluid slosh when stopping the basket, the spin basket will need to be replaced. Remove the wire harness guard plate and the screws securing the back of the top panel to the frame. Lift the lid and remove the bumper plugs. Remove the screws from the front of the top panel. Rotate the top panel back onto a flat surface like the top of a dryer. Remove the tub ring and the Phillips screws. Using the adjustable wrench and the mallet, loosen the tub nut in a clockwise direction. Remove the tub nut, then the spin basket. Here's the old spin basket and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the spin basket onto the drive shaft. Tighten the tub nut, install the tub ring, and reinstall the agitator. Connect the hoses, turn on the water supply, and reconnect the power cord. Great job tackling the spin basket replacement on your Samsung top-load washer. We hope it brought your appliance back to smooth operation. We'd love to hear about your repair journey, so please share how it went in the comments below. If you would like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. If you find that you still need a replacement part, just grab your washer's model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Our parts typically arrive within a couple of days, keeping your do-it-yourself projects on track. Thanks for trusting us with your repair needs, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.